Hello, welcome to our video tutorials. These videos will show you the installation for single-tenant door stations. In this video, we'll take the Akuvox Smart Intercom R20 as an example. First, we will discuss product unpacking. Always check that you have the correct mounting hardware for installation. We have two types of installation hardware: the wall-mounted and the flush-mounted installation. The one on the left is for flush mounting, and the one on the right is for wall mounting. We might only need one of them, so always check that you have the correct mount before installation. Next, please check that you have all of the accessories that come in the box. To be sure that you have all of the necessary parts, please check with the quick installation guide for the complete list of parts. There are many different kinds of physical interfaces on the device, as you can see on the screen. Please check and make sure that you have all of the necessary wires reserved for the installation. For the basic installation of the intercom, you want to power the unit and wire the relay for access control. To power the device, we need one UTP cable with PoE and wires for relay connection to corresponding pins. If there is no PoE, you can also use the 12-volt direct power input by using an adapter or PoE injector. Here, we have some examples to show the different wiring connections. Ethernet connection with Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Direct 12-volt power input wiring. Relay wiring for access control. RS-485 wiring for some RS-485 supported devices, such as elevator control units. Wiring of input devices, such as exit buttons and sensors. Thanks for watching. We wish you a pleasant experience with Akuvox.